Hi everyone, this is Sugantha Priya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Full Stack Web Development, Dr.S.Sugantha Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. This presentation is about the topic, the nature of software. This slide introduces the core concepts of software engineering, understanding the nature of software. The nature of software explains why software is, how it behaves, why managing software is difficult compared to the physical systems. Today's software controls business operations, education platforms, healthcare systems, banking and finance, mobile and web applications. So unlike traditional engineering products, software is logical, abstract and dynamic. So understanding this nature helps the developers to predict their failures, handle complexity, manage frequent changes, build reliable systems. Next, we will discuss what is a software system. A software system is a set of instructions and associated information that enables a computer to perform useful work. Software consists of mainly three major components. Programs. Programs are nothing but it is a set of instructions written using programming languages such as Python, Java or C. They define what tasks the computer performs, how the input is being processed and how the output is being generated. Next is the data. The data includes input data, output data, stored information and databases. So without data, programs have no practical value. So next is the documentation. So documentation is going to explain how the software is used, how it is installed and how it is maintained or upgraded. So thus software is not just a code but a complete logical product that supports all the real world activities. And also the software act as an intelligent controller of hardware resources. So the key roles of the software are it is going to control CPU, memory and storage. It manages input output devices, enables user interaction and automated tasks. Next, how it differs from hardware and the software. Software failures mainly occur due to programming errors, incorrect requirements, incomplete testing, and poor updates. Hence, the software requires a systematic engineering practices. So next we will discuss the software's dual nature. Software has dual nature, meaning it performs two simultaneous roles. One is software as a product and second is software as a service. We will discuss software as a product. Software is delivered to the user as mobile applications, desktop software and web application. So the characteristics are it is installed and executed and it has defined functionality and the user directly interacts with it, and also it has complete deliverable features. It provides solutions like billing, intangible in terms of user experience. So next is software as a service, and also it provides continuous services like online transactions, data storage, communication services, etc. So this dual nature must be correct, efficient, secure, user friendly and continuously managed. This is a systematic way of developing the software. It ensures quality and efficient development, and also it involves the steps like planning and designing. So next is the essence of software. So the essence of software refers to its fundamental properties like intangibility. So that is, the software has no physical form. It cannot be touched. It exists as a logic and algorithms. It is difficult to visualize and measure. Next is the complexity. The system may contain many interactive components, multiple execution path, conditional logic. So even small changes can cause unexpected results in the software. So next is the changeability. The software must change due to user feedback, market demands, technological advancements. So the changes is inevitable and making the software evolution as a constant change. So next is the conformity. A software must conform to business rules, legal standards, hardware constraints, user expectations. So managing these aspects require strong planning and design. So next is the characteristics of the software. First is the software is developed not manufactured. So software is created through different phases like requirement analysis, design, coding, testing and maintenance. So there is no production line for this, and also the software does not wear out. Hardware fails due to physical change, whereas software fails due to logical errors or modification. As software evolves, the complexity also increases. Next is it is mostly custom built, so that is bug fixing, performance improvement, security patches, and future enhancement. It is maximizes the cost and effort in the software life cycle. So next is the invisible structure. The software architecture is abstract, so making understanding difficult and requires documentation and diagrams. So this mind map visually integrates all the components like definition, dual nature, essence, characteristics, and advantages like simplifies complex topics, improves memory retention, helps in quick revision, and it is mainly used as a conceptual learning instead of memorization. Uh, Next is in the conclusion, understanding the nature of software is very essential because software is complex and dynamic, and the errors are logical, not physical, and maintenance is unavoidable, and changes is continuous. This topic leads to a better software design and development. Thank you.